Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I finally got the new Apple AirTags. Just came in the mail. These are pretty new, and I had to get these because I'm a type of person that I'm very clumsy. I'm always losing my stuff, whether it be my keys, my bag, my phone, you name it. I've lost all my stuff. It was so bad. I think I told you guys the story one time how when I went on a trip, I think to Jamaica, I had lost my drone in the airport, but I got it back. But anywho, it's about these Apple AirTags. So let's unbox it and see how it is. So here is the taking off the wrapping. I got the one that comes 4 in a pack, which is $100. If you get one by itself, I believe it's $29. So here's all the so when I took it out of the box, these are what it looks like. Like I said before, it's 4 in a pack. So let's take one out. This is so cool. Like, you know, when you order yours on the Apple website, you can customize it and put whatever name or emoji that you want on it. So look at this. I got my nickname Liz. For the emoji, it's a snake, which is shaped like an eye, so it's Liz. How awesome is that? Oh. So let's take off the wrapping. OMG. So look at all of the designs on my AirTag. So I have one with a dragon on it because this emoji is my Chinese zodiac. I'm the dragon with my name on it. And then I have this one right here because you know how much I love Walt Disney World. So I had to get the mouse. So it reminds me of Mickey Mouse. And then this one's pretty dope because the snake emoji looks like the letter of I for my name, Liz. So I thought it was pretty cool too. And but not least, I got the chicken emoji with my name on this. So I really like this. Is pretty cool. I like the fact that it's free to customize these emojis and letters onto your Apple AirTag. All right, now let's test one of them and connect it. Ooh. So let's see. It says connect, and you can choose backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallets. So I'm gonna put keys because that's the main thing I'm always losing. Then I press it's setting up right now. Cool. Done. So you can get accessories for your Apple AirTag. So I got this little keychain thing that you can hook to my keys. Like I said, that's the main thing I'm always losing. You also can get the Apple AirTag, like the long silicone thing to attach to like a bag or a pet's collar or whatever you use. But that hasn't came in the mail, so I wasn't able to show you guys right now. It's funny, the Apple AirTags came before all my accessories came in. And they're not even available in stores. They're already all sold out, so I have to wait till it comes in the mail. But overall, it was a really easy setup to connect from here to my iPhone. And now if I ever lose my keys or any of my stuff, I just go and find my iPhone. I just don't want to show you right now because I don't want to show you my location, my address, where I'm living. But it was really simple, and yeah, it's just, you just, like I said, you attach it to whatever you need, connect it to your iPhone. Really easy step. And to find your items, click on Find My iPhone app on your iPhone. And that's it. So I'm really glad Apple brought these out. I know it's kind of similar to like the Tile, but this is convenient for me because I love Apple products. So now I have this 4, so I can attach one to my keys, one to my bags, you know, suitcase when I'm traveling or whatever. So I hope this review was helpful. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.